Hello, and welcome to our lesson on quantitative risk assessment. This segment will continue to cover Perform Quantitative Risk Analysis Overview. Quantitative risk analysis is a strategic decision in project management, not universally mandated but dependent upon several key factors. The feasibility of undertaking a robust quantitative risk analysis hinges on the availability of high-quality data concerning individual project risks and other sources of uncertainty, alongside a well-defined project baseline encompassing scope, schedule, and cost. Moreover, quantitative risk analysis typically necessitates specialized risk software and expertise in developing and interpreting risk models, entailing additional time and cost. The project's risk management plan determines whether to employ quantitative risk analysis, typically deemed suitable for large-scale or complex projects, those of strategic significance, those with contractual obligations, or projects where key stakeholders demand it. Quantitative risk analysis emerges as the ideal method for comprehensively assessing project risk and aggregating the impact of individual risks and uncertainties on project outcomes. Leveraging data from the qualitative risk analysis process, quantitative risk analysis scrutinizes significant risks and evaluates their potential effects on project objectives. The outputs generated by quantitative risk analysis serve as vital inputs for the plan risk response process, aiding in recommending responses tailored to mitigate overall project risk and address key individual risks. Quantitative risk analysis's thoughtful utilization of inappropriate project contexts significantly enhances risk management efficacy and project outcomes. Quantitative risk analysis is a collaborative effort involving project teams and stakeholders to assess and mitigate project uncertainties in real-life project scenarios comprehensively. The process typically begins with identifying and collecting relevant data from various sources, including historical project information, expert opinions, and probabilistic estimates. Project teams, consisting of subject matter experts from various domains, work in tandem to refine the data and develop risk models using specialized software tools. Stakeholders, including clients, sponsors, and end users, play a crucial role by providing insights into project objectives, priorities, and risk tolerance thresholds. As the quantitative analysis progresses, team members engage in rigorous scenario simulations, sensitivity analyses, and Monte Carlo simulations to quantify the likelihood and impact of identified risks on project outcomes. Stakeholder involvement is pivotal throughout this phase, with their feedback and input shaping risk assessment criteria and decision-making processes. Moreover, stakeholders formulate risk response strategies, ensuring alignment with project goals and organizational objectives. Ultimately, the collaborative effort between project teams and stakeholders ensures that quantitative risk analysis is a dynamic and iterative process, facilitating informed decision-making and enhancing project resilience in the face of uncertainty. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we shall discuss quantitative risk analysis techniques. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening and see you in our next segment.